Hi and welcome guys to another watch unboxing. Very excited, it seems a big box. Let's see, it says open from here. Let's open the box and see what is inside. I'm very excited to do these unboxing videos. This unboxing videos really shows you how good a brand is coming up with their packaging and during shipping, how they are doing it. Right inside, we get another box. Keep this one aside. Let's see what comes with the box. This is very nice packaging, guys. These are the accessories comes in this box. It's a San Martin watch, the spring bar tool, and the bracelet removal tool. It's a screwdriver. Let's see what else in the box. I find the packaging very similar to the Proxima one. And you get a signed warranty card, which is again very good quality from San Martin. And you get a user manual. Let's quickly have a look at this packaging. This is San Martin's new case. It's a very nice pouch with it's a zipper pouch. Oh boy, that looks awesome. This is one of their latest models, guys, the SN0148-GB with the integrated bracelet. A quick wrist check, guys. I'm wearing my Proxima PX1743, which is also a similar vortex kind of texture, but this is also one fantastic watch. This is a wonderful watch as well. If you can get your hands on this, it is a really nice looking watch. Similar, but they use different techniques in their dials. We will discuss that in a different video. Guys, please subscribe to the channel to help the channel, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up as well. And all the links for these watches will be in the description. I actually bought this watch from San Martin store from AliExpress, who have helped me greatly to get this watch. So watch out for the links. If you can get this watch, get it. It's an absolute killer watch. Let's quickly unwrap this plastic off. I really like taking off these plastics and the sound of it makes. All the plastics are off. Have a look at that dial, guys. Oh boy, absolutely breathtaking beauty indeed. Very well made by San Martin. Let's give a quick wipe. The watch is up and running, which is a very good sign again. I'm absolutely carried away with this beauty of this particular watch. It's absolutely well made dial. No wonder San Martin is so much bragging about this particular watch. This looks absolutely gorgeous indeed. Okay, let's quickly dive in and see the construction of this particular watch. This comes with 316L stainless steel construction, and the sides are kind of brushed. Have a look at this brushing. This is absolutely gorgeous, guys, and this is what San Martin is known for, the quality of finishing. And the upper part of the watch is also brushed. I actually a person who like the brushing finish than the polish. And have a look at that chamfers, shiny chamfers that look absolutely awesome. And the particular finishing carried to the bracelet itself. Have a look at that brushing on the bracelet and the chamfers. This is really awesome, guys. Absolutely lovely looking. Very, very nice finishing indeed. Let's get to the dial. This is kind of blue. I especially like this particular colorways because it looks more like an peacock blue kind of effect. San Martin called this an enamel gradient sunburst spiral vortex dial. It's actually enamel dial with kind of fume, more of darkness towards the corner and more green kind of blue towards the middle. It's absolutely lovely looking indeed. And this comes with an all the markers are applied on this watch, and the San Martin logo also applied, and it comes with an 3 o'clock date with absolutely that is looking gorgeous. It's a color match date wheel with an framed date. Let's quickly see the bezel action. This comes with an 120 click ceramic bezel which is fully loomed. And then you can hear the sound. Very nice action, no backplay whatsoever. San Martin bezels are one of the best bezels, and it aligns perfectly. I look at it from this side. You have a screw down crown which is engraved with San Martin logo, and this is an integrated bracelet. This particular model comes with an integrated bracelet and see-through sapphire case back. This is an sapphire display case back, which is again an screw down case back, which will ensure the water resistant level which they have mentioned. Let's quickly see the proportion of this particular watch. I don't bring my caliper on the unboxing videos, but this watch, it matters because even though this is a 40 watch, the lug to lug comes very shorter. Now look at this bezel, it 38.2. The case is 40, but the lug to lug distance is 47, which is very manageable. Very good. I think I can get it on the wrist and see. Mine is an 6.5-inch wrist. Have a look at this watch. It doesn't feel big at all. Not too much of overhanging, and I'm really liking. This looks gorgeous in my wrist. What do you guys think? Have a look at that brushing and polishing going on in this watch. It's absolutely awesome quality from San Martin. Good proportion. That is one of the reasons why I bought in the caliper. A 40 watch, but it fits the wrist perfectly because this is an integrated bracelet, which is good again, I think, because this watch they had two previous versions, one with a hero hands and now this one with the vortex dial, and I think this watch blends very well with this integrated bracelet because this bracelet is also something very special which blends with this particular watch really well. So why should you change it? So they came up with this integrated bracelet. Very good decision from San Martin. This quality of finishing from San Martin is a big shout out to the Swiss to say that you don't have to spend thousands of dollars to get a good watch. This is absolutely awesome looking watch at this price point. This on sale you can get it well under 350, which is an absolute steal for this particular watch. It looks absolutely gorgeous, very well finished, and it comes with an sapphire sandwich and fully loomed. And what else you can ask for? Have a look at this bracelet quality, guys. You don't see any rough edges whatsoever. It is absolutely very well made. I really liking it. Let's have a look at this bracelet because this particular bracelet is very special. This is the first time I'm seeing a Jubilee bracelet in this quality because it's not too much of shininess in the middle like the regular one. It's all about brushing. All the center links, these are brushed of very highest quality, and the chamfers are polished. All the chamfers, the side and see brushed and polishing. I think the second link and the fourth link, these are polished from both ends. It's absolutely gorgeous to look at. And also this comes with this new clasp from San Martin, a double pusher clasp with quick adjustment, easy to use, quick micro adjustment. Guys, please subscribe to the channel to help the channel, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up as well, and don't go away. Please stay tuned for the loom shot. Okay guys, let's have a quick look at this loom on this watch. It has to be special, as San Martin says. This is BGW X1 loom. So let's see how good it is. Switch off this light. Have a look at that loom. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous loom indeed. I am very surprised. Yes, the X1 loom seem to be something very special, because have a look at that glow. Shall I adjust the bezel to see? Oh boy, I'm loving it. Have a look at that. It is definitely very special loom indeed. It is absolutely gorgeous looking. X1 loom is absolutely glowing. I'm pretty sure this gonna last the entire night without any issues whatsoever. It is loom of very highest quality. Very good application of loom, bezel and indices. Absolutely very good guys. I hope every one of you enjoying this loom shot. It is really of a very highest quality.